Hi friends, I'm Shelly from the JBF Tech team, and I'm excited to walk you through a brand new tagging feature that gives you one more easy way to tag. This is our Upload Tags feature. If you love working in spreadsheets, then this is a great option for you. And honestly, even if you only use it once in a while, it's a really great backup plan. Sometimes tech happens, not often, but if it ever does while you're in your tagging groove, you can keep entering items in your sheet and upload them once we're back online. It's always nice to have that flexibility. When you click Upload Tags, you'll choose your template format. You can download the Microsoft Excel version or click the Google Sheets link, which opens in a new tag. Whichever option you choose, the first sheet includes instructions. This file is view only, so you'll want to make a copy of it before you start editing. I suggest naming it something like JBF Tags and today's date. That way, you know exactly when you created it and which version you're working from, especially if there are ever updates. Once you have your copy, you'll start entering tags. Many of the fields have drop-down boxes where you can easily select your category and size. You'll enter your description and then you'll choose a price. Make sure that you're pricing in 25-cent increments. If you choose something else, you'll get an error message later. So sticking to those 25 cents will keep things smooth. You can adjust your reduce and donate settings, and you can choose your season. Always confirm your quantity. Most of the time, you'll keep that quantity at 1. And as a quick reminder, try to be descriptive. We don't want 10 tags that just say shirt. Instead, type in red Marvel superhero t-shirt. The clearer your description, the easier it is for your shoppers to say yes. Once everything is entered, you'll export the file as a CSV. So download and CSV. Then you're going to come back to the tagging site to upload it. You can drag and drop your file or click to find it on your computer. Then you're going to click Next. If there are any errors, you'll see them listed here along with the row number and exactly what needs to be fixed. You'll just go back to your file, fix the issue, and export it again. And here it had called out that on lines 8 and 9, I needed to change my price. So I'm going to change those to $4.50. And then I am going to repeat my process to download as the CSV. When everything looks good, you'll see a confirmation that there are no errors and you're ready to import. Click Process File and your tags will appear in your account. That's it, another easy way to tag. And lastly, I want to point out our brand new JBF Resource Center. Right here along the side of the screen, this is your go-to place for answers to our most frequently asked questions and step-by-step guidance for features, just like this one. So if you ever think, wait, how do I do that again? Check the Resource Center first. Chances are we've already walked you through it. All right, that's the upload tag features. Whether this becomes your go-to or just a tool you keep in your back pocket, it's there when you need it. Now, let's keep moving and get those tags ready for action.